Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. You know, the Facebook numbers aren't even out yet, but someone's a believer because Facebook has just gone from 94 to 99. The NQs just went from 4120 to 4127, and the number's still out. So I suspect someone has this number early. Wild. It's going to be coming out, though, any minute here. But the way Facebook is trading right now, folks, someone's got this number. I mean, the monster, the volume's huge, all of the above. It's just wild. It is better to believe than disbelieve. And in doing so, you bring everything to the realm of possibility. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's up 222, NASDAQ up 99, S&P's up 19, gold contract up, let's see, where is she? She's up $5.30, trading at 11.25 now. Gold had taken the swing point out yesterday, had great volume, didn't have high volume of the swing point, had volume, had the price spread, got the price spread going again today. Gold is at the 11.25. That's on its way to 11.50 to 11.92. It looks like on a basis, 2-3 weeks, the swing point from October 5th, that wants to get hit. That's the 11.92 area. Silver's at $14.49. Silver starts to take out the 14.68. I expect you're going to see that the next few days. We moved up into it. We're right below it right now. We'll see what kind of strength it has once it goes into it. Oil up 50 cents, trading at 31.95. Oil is in a nice range. The range in oil is about 29.50 down below, 32.50 up above. You get a good trading range, both sides of it. Bonds, 10-year up 2 ticks, 128.28. 30-year down 6, 159.31. Now, the 10 and the 30, folks, they both failed yesterday on price and volume going into the January 20th highs. I expect we're going to back off from here. As we back off, we'll see whether the volume expands. If the volume doesn't expand, that could just be a regular correction. If volume expands, it'll be a higher probability that bonds have topped. You got to remember that the bull market in bonds started in 1981. Pretty amazing. Ronald Reagan was president January 3rd, 1981. Bonds were trading 14%. Guess what? We went from 14% down to 2%. Odd 1% in the context of 2-year notes. Pretty amazing. King dollar. King dollar down 128 ticks, 99 flat out. King dollar wants to move into lower price. We'll see how it handles the lower swing point. The lowest swing point is laying out there at 97.05. Euro is up 26 at 108, and the yen is trading at 118.63. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. I got to show you the world of Facebook because this is really unusual. Someone has placed a very large bet on Facebook. Now, when you get something like this, this is a closing price. I have a 10-minute bar on this. Facebook has gone from 94.25 up to 99.59. That's a monster, folks, okay? And we did that, by the way, on, look at this trade. Oh, my God, this is huge. I want to see if this is one trade, actually. So you get some monster trades out. AQR, 1 second. 99. Well, up at the 99, this is the type of money we're talking. The buyer is up at $99 right now, buying 40,000, 39,000, 39,000, 42,000 shares at a pop. So it's a big number. And these numbers were done. I have it in front of me here. Let me put it over here so you can see it. This is at 1607. So it's 407. You know, and as I just said, Facebook's not out yet. You know, Facebook itself, if we take a look at this, Facebook has a high volume spike, folks, at the, let me get this level for you, because I suspect that's right where this thing's going to go. Facebook has a high volume spike at, the bottom of that is 107.95. That was from November 5th. The top of that is 110.65. That bottom line, can get hit and get hit as soon as they come out with these numbers. You know, many times what ends up happening is that, like Google comes out with their number 1 second after the close. Apple tells you they're going to come out at 4:30. Facebook hasn't said when they come out. They're just saying they're coming. Oh, no, here we go. 1 second. This is going to be wild. So I don't have this yet, but they're claiming, you know what's going to go on here? They're claiming that they came out. Oh, there it is. Okay, no. Sorry about this, folks. Okay, here it is. It just did come out. 1607. Okay, so here's the Facebook numbers. Let's see what we got here. Okay, the estimate was 68 cents. They did 79. That's the bottom line estimate. Top line estimate, look at this. This is pretty amazing, actually. So the estimate for top line was $5.37 billion. They come up with $5.84 billion. Well, they blew away that number, man. They're blowing away some numbers. Average monthly users are up 14%. Mobile active users are up 25%. Right now, on mobile active users in the fourth quarter, they had 1.59 billion. That's pretty intense. No doubt. So Facebook delivered another quarter record revenues that topped estimates as it sells more ads via videos, mobile devices, and Instagram photo sharing services. Fourth quarter sales rose to 5.84 billion compared to 5.37 billion, which was the analyst estimates. So they took in 500 million more. That's an additional 10%. So they're growing 10% more than the analysts think they're growing, and of course analysts are always bullish. Marketers are flocking to Facebook for its knack of getting well-targeted ads in front of consumers. The same technology is now being deployed across the company's properties, especially Instagram, which has marked its first full quarter of ad sales across international markets. Big numbers, folks. That's the bottom line. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished down 222. NASDAQ on 99. S&Ps are off 21. We're going to be right back.